Have you ever wondered why the soil in a healthy forest stays rich, moist, and full of life without anyone spreading wood chips or bark mulch? Nature has been perfecting its own mulching system for thousands of years. Instead of relying on artificial materials, forests cover the ground with living plants that grow across the soil year-round. These natural ground covers act as a living blanket, helping the soil hold moisture, prevent erosion, suppress weeds, and support countless beneficial organisms beneath the surface. As leaves, stems, and roots naturally decompose, they return valuable organic matter to the soil, feeding earthworms, fungi, microbes, and an entire underground ecosystem. Some species even improve fertility by fixing nitrogen from the atmosphere, while others grow so densely that weeds struggle to find space to germinate. Recreating this natural living mulch system in your own garden is easier than you might think. By planting the right species, you can improve soil health, conserve water, reduce weeds, and build a thriving ecosystem that becomes more productive every year. In this video, we'll look at 7 outstanding living mulch plants that work with nature instead of against it. Once you see the results, you may never look at traditional mulch the same way again. 1. Vetch. Vetch is considered one of the most valuable living mulch plants in regenerative gardening because it protects the soil while actively improving it. At first glance, it looks like a simple climbing plant with delicate green leaves and clusters of purple flowers. But beneath the surface, it is quietly transforming the ground through remarkable natural processes. One of its biggest advantages is its rapid growth. Once established, vetch quickly spreads across bare soil, forming a dense green carpet that shields the ground from direct sunlight. This living cover reduces moisture loss, keeps the soil cooler during hot weather, protects against erosion caused by heavy rain and strong winds, and prevents weed seeds from receiving enough light to germinate. Its greatest contribution happens below the surface. As a member of the legume family, vetch forms a partnership with nitrogen-fixing bacteria that live on its roots. These beneficial microbes capture nitrogen from the air and convert it into forms that surrounding plants can use, naturally enriching the soil without relying on synthetic fertilizers. Vetch also produces an impressive amount of organic matter. Many regenerative gardeners grow it as a cover crop before cutting it back and leaving the foliage on the soil using the popular chop and drop method. As the leaves and stems break down, they create a nutrient-rich mulch layer while the living roots continue supporting beneficial soil life. Over time, this process improves soil structure, increases organic matter, encourages larger earthworm populations, stimulates microbial activity, and greatly improves the soil's ability to retain moisture. As the underground ecosystem becomes healthier, gardeners often discover they need less fertilizer, while their crops grow stronger and become more resilient. Vetch also adapts well to poor or degraded soils, where many other plants struggle, making it an excellent choice for restoring neglected land. When flowering begins, its purple blossoms provide abundant nectar that attracts bees and many other pollinators, increasing biodiversity above ground as well. For gardeners focused on building rich, living soil naturally, vetch is much more than a cover crop. It serves as one of the key foundations of a healthy, self-sustaining garden ecosystem. 2. Sweet alyssum. Sweet alyssum may be small in size, but it provides an impressive number of benefits that extend far beyond its delicate appearance. Its tiny white, pink, or lavender flowers spread into a soft carpet that covers the soil, creating an attractive display while functioning as an excellent living mulch. As the plants spread, they shade the ground, keeping the soil cooler during hot weather and slowing moisture evaporation. This protective layer helps maintain healthy root conditions, preventing the soil from becoming dry, cracked, or compacted while encouraging beneficial biological activity beneath the surface. Its dense growth also serves as an effective weed barrier by blocking sunlight from reaching many weed seeds, reducing their ability to germinate and compete with nearby vegetables and flowers. Perhaps its greatest strength is the incredible variety of beneficial insects it attracts. Bees regularly visit the nectar-rich flowers, but hoverflies are among its most valuable helpers. While adult hoverflies feed on pollen and nectar, their larvae consume large numbers of aphids and other common garden pests, providing natural biological pest control without the need for chemicals. Vegetables such as tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, kale, and cabbage often perform better when grown alongside sweet alyssum because of the increased pollinator activity and healthier ecological balance it creates. Another major advantage is how quickly it becomes established. The seeds germinate rapidly, the plants spread fast, and flowering begins within a short time, turning bare soil into a colorful carpet buzzing with beneficial insects. As the growing season comes to an end, the plants naturally decompose, returning valuable organic matter to the soil, instead of requiring gardeners to purchase and spread additional mulch. The plant itself becomes part of the soil building process, perfectly demonstrating the power of living mulch systems. By working alongside nature, rather than replacing it, sweet alyssum helps create richer soil, healthier plants, greater biodiversity, and gardens that become increasingly productive year after year. 3. Alfalfa. Alfalfa has earned a reputation as one of nature's most powerful soil-building plants, helping restore exhausted ground and improve long-term fertility. For generations, farmers have grown it not only as valuable livestock feed, but also as an exceptional cover crop capable of transforming poor soil into highly productive growing land. Although its simple flowers and modest foliage may not appear remarkable above ground, alfalfa performs extraordinary work below the surface. Its deep root system reaches several meters into the soil, accessing water and valuable minerals that most garden plants cannot reach. Nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, and numerous trace elements are gradually pulled upward, making them more available to vegetables, flowers, fruit trees, and neighboring crops. This unique ability has earned alfalfa the reputation of being one of nature's finest nutrient accumulators. Above the soil, its dense leafy growth acts as a living mulch, shading the ground, conserving moisture, suppressing weeds, and protecting the surface from intense summer heat. Without this natural cover, exposed soil can quickly dry out, become compacted, and lose much of its biological activity. Beneath healthy stands of alfalfa, conditions remain cooler, moisture lasts longer, and beneficial organisms thrive. Its strong roots also loosen compacted soil, allowing water and oxygen to penetrate more deeply while creating ideal conditions for earthworms and beneficial microbes. Like other legumes, alfalfa naturally enriches the soil through nitrogen fixation, helping restore fertility instead of simply consuming nutrients. Many gardeners harvest alfalfa several times throughout the growing season and spread the fresh cuttings around vegetables, fruit trees, and flower beds. These nutrient-rich clippings decompose quickly, feeding soil life while creating an excellent natural mulch. Instead of buying mulch every year, gardeners can grow their own directly in the garden. Orchard owners often plant alfalfa between rows of fruit trees to improve moisture retention, while others use it to restore land damaged by drought, erosion, or years of intensive cultivation. As time passes, the improvements become increasingly noticeable. Organic matter builds up, moisture retention improves, soil biology becomes more active, and the ground gradually transforms into darker, richer, and far more productive soil. For regenerative gardeners, alfalfa is far more than an ordinary cover crop. It is one of the most effective natural tools available for creating healthy, living soil that continues improving year after year. 4. Comfrey. Comfrey has become one of the most respected plants in regenerative gardening because it constantly pulls valuable nutrients from deep within the soil and returns them to the surface where other plants can benefit. Its huge leaves and vigorous growth make it an impressive addition to any garden, but its greatest work takes place underground. An exceptionally deep root system reaches mineral reserves that many plants can never access, drawing up calcium, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and numerous trace elements before storing them in its large, leafy foliage. This remarkable ability has earned comfrey the reputation of being one of nature's finest dynamic accumulators, quietly recycling nutrients throughout the garden. Above ground, its broad leaves create dense shade that protects the soil from direct sunlight, helping reduce moisture loss, suppress weeds, and keep the ground cooler during hot weather. One of comfrey's greatest strengths is how quickly it recovers after being cut. Gardeners often harvest the leaves several times each season and use the well-known chop and drop method, spreading the fresh foliage around vegetables, fruit trees, shrubs, and flower beds. As the leaves decompose, they release valuable minerals back into the soil while feeding earthworms, fungi, and beneficial microbes. Because the foliage breaks down rapidly, it provides a continuous supply of organic matter without the need to purchase additional mulch. Many gardeners also soak the leaves in water to create a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer that naturally feeds crops throughout the growing season. Fruit trees especially benefit from growing alongside comfrey because its deep roots continually lift nutrients toward the surface while its leaves recycle them around the base of the trees. Over time, soil becomes darker, richer, looser, and far more biologically active. Once established, comfrey also tolerates prolonged drought thanks to its powerful root system, which continues producing abundant leafy growth even when shallow-rooted plants begin to struggle. These deep roots help stabilize the soil and reduce erosion as well. Rather than serving as an ordinary perennial, comfrey functions as a permanent fertility factory that continuously strengthens the entire garden ecosystem. 5. Oregano. Although oregano is famous as a flavorful kitchen herb, it is equally valuable as a living mulch. Many spreading varieties naturally form dense carpets of fragrant foliage that protect the soil while creating an attractive green ground cover. As the plants gradually expand, they cover bare areas, reducing evaporation, preventing erosion, and shielding the soil from intense summer sun. Unlike traditional mulch that slowly decomposes and must be replaced, oregano renews itself year after year while constantly protecting the ground beneath it. Its thick foliage keeps the soil cooler, conserves moisture, and suppresses weeds by blocking sunlight from reaching the soil's surface. As the plants spread, open ground gradually disappears beneath lush green growth, creating a healthier and more balanced landscape. Oregano is also incredibly tough. It thrives in dry climates, rocky soil, poor ground, Mediterranean conditions, and intense summer heat where many other ground covers struggle. Once established, it requires very little watering, making it an excellent choice for low-maintenance and water-efficient gardens. Another bonus is its wonderfully aromatic foliage. On warm days, simply brushing against the leaves releases a rich herbal fragrance that fills the surrounding air. During flowering, oregano becomes a magnet for bees, butterflies, hoverflies, and countless other beneficial insects, greatly increasing biodiversity and improving pollination throughout the garden. Many gardeners intentionally grow oregano beneath vegetables, around fruit trees, along pathways, or even in place of traditional lawns in selected areas. Unlike ordinary grass, oregano actively supports the ecosystem by protecting the soil, feeding pollinators, and gradually enriching the ground as older stems and leaves naturally decompose. It perfectly demonstrates how a single plant can protect, nourish, and strengthen the entire garden while working in harmony with nature. 6. Phacelia. Phacelia is one of the rare plants that combines spectacular beauty with outstanding practical value. As it begins to bloom, its delicate fern-like foliage is topped with graceful clusters of blue-violet flowers that create the appearance of a soft purple mist floating across the garden. Large plantings shimmer in the sunlight while attracting huge numbers of bees, butterflies, hoverflies, and other beneficial insects. Beneath this beautiful display, however, Phacelia is quietly improving the soil in remarkable ways. The plants grow rapidly, covering bare ground with a dense canopy that shields the soil from harsh sunlight, drying winds, and heavy rain, while conserving moisture and keeping temperatures cooler during the hottest part of summer. Their thick growth also blocks sunlight from reaching weed seeds, allowing Phacelia to suppress weeds naturally with very little effort from the gardener. Below the surface, vigorous roots loosen compacted soil by creating channels that allow water, oxygen, earthworms, and beneficial microbes to move more freely. As soil structure improves, water infiltration increases, microbial activity expands, and the entire underground ecosystem becomes healthier and more productive. Few cover crops rival Phacelia when it comes to attracting pollinators. During peak bloom, honeybees, native bees, butterflies, hoverflies, and many other insects cover the flowers from morning until evening, making it especially popular with beekeepers, while improving pollination for nearby vegetables, fruit trees, and flowering crops. As the plants mature, gardeners often cut them back and leave the foliage on the soil, where it quickly decomposes into nutrient-rich green mulch. At the same time, the roots break down underground, adding organic matter deep within the soil profile. This process closely mirrors nature by improving both the soil surface and the layers below. Despite its practical benefits, Phacelia never looks like an ordinary cover crop. Instead, it creates the appearance of a colorful wildflower meadow while quietly restoring the health of the soil beneath it. 7. Lupins. Lupins are among the most breathtaking plants you can grow because they combine spectacular flowers with impressive soil-building abilities. Their tall flower spikes rise above the foliage in brilliant shades of purple, blue, pink, yellow, white, and striking multicolored combinations, transforming ordinary gardens into scenes that resemble colorful alpine meadows. While their blooms capture immediate attention, their greatest contribution takes place underground. As members of the legume family, lupins develop partnerships with nitrogen-fixing bacteria that live on their roots. These beneficial microorganisms capture nitrogen directly from the atmosphere and convert it into forms that surrounding plants can easily use, naturally increasing soil fertility without relying heavily on synthetic fertilizers. Their powerful taproots provide another major benefit by penetrating compacted soil and creating deep channels that improve water infiltration, airflow, earthworm activity, and microbial growth. Over time, hard, lifeless ground gradually becomes softer, richer, and far more productive. Above ground, dense foliage shades the soil, reducing evaporation, suppressing weeds, and protecting the surface from harsh weather. Mature plantings become natural centers of fertility, surrounded by increasingly healthy soil. The colorful flower spikes attract bees, butterflies, and many other beneficial insects, bringing even greater biodiversity into the garden. After flowering finishes, lupins continue improving the soil as their leaves decompose into organic matter. Their roots break down underground, and the nitrogen they stored is gradually released for future crops. Many gardeners intentionally sow lupins to restore sandy, nutrient-poor, or exhausted soils because they thrive under difficult conditions while steadily rebuilding fertility. Beyond their practical value, they create landscapes filled with vibrant color, graceful movement, and natural beauty, proving that regenerative gardening can be both highly productive and visually spectacular.